Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Today we are going to learn how to make a zip file on Chrome. Let's begin with the tutorial. To create zip file, you need to use your operating system or third-party software. Different operating systems have different features. For Windows, you can see use Google Chrome to download the file you want to include a zip file. Select files. Navigate to the folder containing your file. Select the file or folder you want to zip by clicking and dragging or holding Control and click on each file. Right click on the selected file, choose send to and then click on compress, that is compress or zip folder. A new zip file will appear in the same folder with the name of one of the selected file. That's how you convert a file into a zip file. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.